Actually, I am a person who has extraordinary experience and touching story. Just because of this, I am filled with a hunger for knowledge to improve myself. When I was very young, I was aware of the importance of learning. At that time, the best gift I looked forward to was to obtain a high-quality course, an exquisite desk which belongs to me. Maybe it's a little dream. If I had it, I would be happy like a child who had eaten sugar. I also try to avoid having personal emotional problems because I know complaining is useless and just in turn adds to anxiety and even wastes time. When I was growing in this positive thinking, gradually I developed a positive attitude to life. I'm extremely grateful for all that knowledge has brought to me. It enables us to have a healthy attitude, a feeling of gratitude, a mood of use, a heart filled with love. I hope my positive behavior can affect others who are confused. This will be enjoyable.